Detail engineering survey services in Rohini are essential for any construction or infrastructure project. These services play a crucial role in ensuring the accuracy and precision of the design and layout of the project. Detail engineering survey services involve the collection of data and information related to the site, such as topography, soil conditions, existing structures, and utilities. This data is then used to create detailed drawings and plans that guide the construction process. Rohini, being a rapidly developing area in Delhi, requires detail engineering survey services to support its growth. With the increasing number of real estate projects and infrastructure developments in Rohini, it is important to have accurate and reliable information about the site conditions. This information helps in making informed decisions regarding the design and construction of buildings, roads, bridges, and other structures. Detail engineering survey services in Rohini ensure that all aspects of the project are thoroughly evaluated and planned, minimizing the risk of errors and delays. SCON Design is a leading provider of detail engineering survey services in Rohini. With their team of experienced surveyors and engineers, they offer comprehensive surveying solutions for a wide range of projects. SCON Design understands the importance of accurate data collection and analysis in ensuring the success of a project. Their surveying techniques are advanced and utilize state-of-the-art equipment to capture precise measurements and create detailed drawings. SCON Design's detail engineering survey services encompass various aspects of a project, including topographic surveys, boundary surveys, construction staking, and utility surveys. They have expertise in using advanced technology such as DGPS, laser scanning, and drone surveys to gather data efficiently and accurately. Any infrastructure or building project needs detail engineering survey services in Rohini. These services are essential for ensuring the project's design and layout are accurate and precise. The gathering of data and information on the site, including its topography, soil composition, already existing structures, and utilities, is a component of detail engineering survey services. The construction process is then guided by the precise drawings and blueprints made using this data. In order to sustain its expansion, Rohini, a fast-growing region of Delhi, needs detailed engineering survey services. Rohini is experiencing an increase in infrastructure and real estate projects, thus it's critical to have accurate and trustworthy information about the site circumstances. Making judgments based on this information helps with any infrastructure or building project needs detail engineering survey services in Rohini. These services are essential for ensuring the project's design and layout are accurate and precise. The gathering of data and information on the site, including